Alright, so it's a nice and balmy 41 degrees today, so we're gonna go ride for a little bit. If you can't tell, the R1 looks a little different than last time. It's missing a few things, and that's because I went and rode the other day. I just couldn't wait. I went and rode, and the fairings weren't on all the way because, well, I still don't have all the bolts for them, and yeah, they got ripped off on the highway. Should have seen that coming. They were fine on the other roads, but once I hit the highway, yeah, they came off. But still rides, so that's good. And this upcoming week is supposed to be pretty nice too. I think the only days below 40 are tomorrow and Monday. So we're gonna be doing a lot of riding today. Or not today, but this week. So let's see. Yeah. Very nice. Very good.
Insane.